Hello friends, today we are going to perform the experiment in which we are controlling the devices using Bluetooth. So you can see when I am transmitting here 0, so what will happen? This LED will switch it off. See, if I am going to transmit 1, then it is going to be on. So how to make this? For this experiment we need one Arduino board, LED with one resistance of 220 ohm. So this resistance is used to control the current which is going to the LED. This will increase the life of the LED. Otherwise, sometimes when high current goes and if we don't have resistance, that current will reduce the life of LED. And one Bluetooth module. Along with we need one app. So this, as you see that Arduino, so we need a app for this. So first we are going to how to make the connections. So simply this Bluetooth is a 6-pin terminal device. From 6 we are going to choose 4 terminal, VX, ground, TX and RX. So VCC is connected to the 5 volt which I am taking from the Arduino. Ground is going to the ground which is connected to the Arduino. The TX pin of this device, Bluetooth device, is connected to the RX pin of this microcontroller, means Arduino Uno, and RX pin of this Bluetooth is connected to the TX pin of this Arduino board. So this is the connection. Now pin number 12 I am taking as a output pin. So my device is connected with pin number 12. So if you can see from pin number 12, this wire coming here. So now this wire is here into the resistance, and this from this resistance LED is connected in series, and this is the ground line. It is connected to the ground. So this is the connection. Now we are coming to the program. How to write the program for this one? Now come to here. So when we are coming for this program, so if you see, I am declaring one values here, character as a incoming values. So one variable I am defining it here. So now if we are coming to the main program, so serial begin is the 9600 is the baud rate on which we are transferring the data. 9600 is the baud rate on which we are transferring the data from the microcontroller, means Arduino board, to the Bluetooth which is connected to here. Pin number 12 is used as a output pin. So in this experiment I have connected LED. You can connect any devices. If you want to connect motor, so you can also connect the motor using a relay. So this particular pin will be connected to the input port of the relay. Now coming to here, in the main loop we have written, so incoming value is serial read. So it will read the data from the serial port, and serial port is our 0, pin number 0. So it will read the what is coming at the pin number 0. What is coming, it will display it here. Now I am going to check it here. So whatever incoming value is what? If it is 1, then on digital write 12 high, means switch on the device which is connected at pin number 12. If incoming value is 0, then write low, means switch off the device. So first we complete the program, after then verify it. So program is verified. Now, if I want to upload it directly, it will not upload this particular program into this Arduino board, even everything is get connected. It is due to this Bluetooth module is connected to the serial pin of Arduino board. So, we have to remove this RX pin. So, you remove this RX pin from here. Now, after this we upload the program. So, you can see done uploading. So, once the program is uploading, then we are going to connect this. So, it is going to be get connected. So, now we are going to open the device. So, I have opened the phone, the app. So, before that one, so I am showing you how to do this one. So, this is the app Bluetooth. So, before going to that one, we come to the Bluetooth, open the Bluetooth, see it is going to switch on the Bluetooth. Now, SC5 is here, it is a paired device. So, this SC5 is the Bluetooth module. So, when you will click it here, since it is paired. So, you will not, now I am going to first unpair it, then I will show you how to do this one pairing. So, I am going to, so when we will connect to the pair, it will demand for the password. So, password for the Bluetooth device is 1234, which is also mentioned here 1234. So, you can see this device is paired now. So, it is paired. Now, go to this particular app, open it. So, you will find your Bluetooth is connected here, click it here. Now, it will ask you want to use this particular app as a receiver or terminal. Since we want to transmit the data, so select as a terminal. Now, done came. Now, I am going to put, so if I am going to write here 1, because in the code we have written if incoming signal is 1, then switch on the LED. See, when I am sending 1, the device is on. If I am going to send 0, then device will be get off. So, you can connect anything from here, all your devices you can control using this particular things. Okay, thank you, and try this experiment by yourself.